Hello everyone. Today we will see how to operate the NSE Smart Trading Simulator. So here we will start with the login screen of it. So here just you need to enter the login ID, which is the email ID, and password and PIN. Hello everyone. Today we will see how to operate the NSE Smart Trading Simulator. So here the student can place the live market order. Here they can practice their option strategies, and there are different features are available. So hello everyone. Hello everyone. Today we will see how to operate the NSE Smart Trading Simulator. Here you can place the live market like order on the market. You can create your market watch. You can also check your option strategies on option grid calculator, and even you can place the spread order. So this is the login screen. So here you have to enter the email ID, password and PIN. Then you have to click on the login button. So after clicking on the login button, this terms and condition page would come. Here you have to click on I accept. Now all the data related to the markets are synchronizing. Now we are logged into the NSE Smart application. So here on the top of the screen, you can see there are different types of menus are available. So here there is a Nifty 50 value is there, which is 11,169. And here you can change that different indices also. Like I want to change to Nifty Bank, so I can also configure that. So this is the configurable, and this is my market watch. So here you can see this is my market watch, and on the bottom of the page there are three segments are active, which is the NSE CM, NSE FO, and NSE CD. So now we will start with how to add the instrument on the market watch. So for that, just simply click the F4 from the keyboard. So here this configuration tool will come. So here just you have to select the exchange segment. For example, I will select the NSE cash market. Here I will enter the company. For example, Reliance, and it will show the current value of the Reliance. Similarly, if I want to add any future and option instrument on the market watch, then just click the F4 from the keyboard, then select the NSE FO, and there is a four segments, like sub segments are available: future index, future stock, option index, and option stock. I will select the future index and bank nifty. Even I can change it also here. For example, bank nifty to nifty, so I can change that also. If I want to add any future stock, just select the future stock from here, enter the company name, for example Reliance, and here there are these two expiry dates are available, and click the enter button. So that detail will get configured. Similarly, you can also add the detail of currency derivative. Just select the exchange segment currency derivative, and here you need to enter the which currency you want to check, like USD INR, and click enter button. So that type you can add the all the instrument onto the market watch. Similarly, if you want to add any columns over here, then simply click add over here. For this, just right click over here on the column and click add. So this customized form will open. So here you can add different type of columns on the market watch. For example, I will add a per net change. So that per net change column is added over here. So it will show the current movement on the price. So now if I want to buy a Reliance stock, so simply go in a trading and here you just click on the order entry. So after clicking on the order entry, this buy form will come. So this is the first method. Another one is F1 and F2. If you will press F1, then buy form will appear. If you will place F2, then sell form is appear. So here I will press F1 and will select the product type, for example, delivery or margin. So delivery, you can hold the stocks, and for the margin, this considered as an intraday trade, and it will get auto square off at 3:30 p.m. during market days. So I will place an order in a delivery. I will enter the quantity, for example, 10 quantity, and select the client code. Here the virtually only one client would be provided. So for that you can do trade in a market. Just simply select the client code and click the buy button. Here you can see there is a one stock is bought at 2014.95 and this is the traded number. So here we have placed the 10 quantity order and the 10 stock is bought. So that detail will be displayed over here under the message history. Similarly, here the different type of orders are available. So we will see the two type of algo orders which are available. The first one is the future to future strategy. So here simply just you need to select the client code by selecting client code tab, and there are two contracts are available. So for example, I will place for the bank nifty. So this is my leg 1 and leg 2. So just I need to select the expiry date from here, and here I have to enter the difference amount, for example 10, and square of difference amount, for example 5. And net quantity for bank nifty is 25 for the monthly contract. So I will enter that amount over here and will click the start button. So after clicking on the start button, the order will be placed onto the market. The entire details about that is available under the user manual. So from here you can create your algo strategies. The second strategy is under this is the jobbing strategy. So we will see the jobbing strategy. Similarly, we need to enter the strategy name. For example, NSE, my strategy name. Here I will enter the quantity. For example, 1, net quantity 10, wait time 10 seconds, square of time 30 seconds. Here I will select the market order, profit difference 10, stop loss also 10 and trailing stop loss 1. And this is my M to M. This much loss I can bear from this strategy. And then similarly, I will select my one virtual map client and the start time and end time for that. So after entering all this detail, on the basis of this detail, the system will start placing the order into the market. So here we have entered the one quantity. It means the system will place one quantity of Reliance and it will wait for 10 seconds to execute that. Once that 10 seconds is gone, then it will place two orders simultaneously, one for profit and one for stop loss. And it will wait for 30 seconds. If in within 30 seconds, if that stock has hit any of this, like the profit or stop loss, then it will get square off. Otherwise, if in 30 seconds, the system will not find any profit and stop loss, then it will be auto square off at a market order. So it will continuously, the Reliance order will be placed between this start time and end time, which is defined by the user. So this jobbing strategy the student can use. Then we have also developed the two types of order. First one is the cover order and bracket order. So here simply just we need to click on a cover order entry. Same we need to select the symbol which is the Reliance. Here my quantity is 1. Over here we just have to enter the difference amount. For example, if Reliance is trading at 2015, so I will enter the difference of 10 rupees. I will enter the difference of 9 as a trigger and trail price 1. And we'll select the client code. And then I will click the buy button. So on the basis of that, system will place the order into the market. So what we'll do, the now Reliance is trading at 2015. So it will place the stop loss order at 2005 rupees and 2006 as a trigger order. So this difference amount just we need to enter over here under the cover order entry. Same we need to enter in a bracket order also. So here we will select the symbol. Then we will enter the quantity details. For example, 10 quantity of Reliance. We will enter the difference amount over here. For example, 10, trigger 9, trail price 1 and target of 10. So what system will do? System will first place the order into the market, which would be the market order, and after that it will place the difference amount order. Like for example, Reliance is 2016. So it will place the 2006 rupees as a stop loss order, trigger order as a 2007 and target order as a 2027. So that just difference amount we need to enter. And here we will enter the client code, and after clicking on the buy order, the system will place the order into the market. However, there is also the fast order entry is available. Just from the keyboard, you just have to enter the plus button. So this buy form will come, or if you will press the minus button, then sell form will appear. So this here you can place the order into the market. Just you need to fill the important details like the price, quantity, and the client code. So you can quickly send your order into the market. Then there is also the spread orders are available. So here you can place your option strategies order over here. So if you want to create your own option strategies, so there are total 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs buy spread order and sell spread order is available. So here you can simultaneously you can place the buy sell order into the market in future and option market. So this is the spread order. So here you can create your own strategies in option market. Afterward, there is also the batch order entries is available. So here just you need to create your batch. For example, I will create a batch order entry for my client. Just will enter the company name and enter the quantity and we'll click the add button. So here on the top of the screen, that company details are added. Similarly, if I will enter any other symbol, so that can also be added over here. Just you need to select your client code. So if you want to check your client code, just from the client, select the client master. So here you will get your client code details. So this is your virtual client. So here is the C29 is my client. So here you can see that 2 batches are created for the Reliance and Yes Bank. Afterward, you can also modify that also just by clicking that and click on the modify button. So here if you want to change the quantity, that you can do. If you want to send this order into the market, just click on send all button. So that order will get placed into the market. Here we also have a spread order status and EXPL. So under the spread order status, if you will place any order into the spread order, so that will get displayed over here. Even you in this, you can create your own basket just by clicking on the basket trading. So here just you need to select the client code, enter the values. For example, 1 lakh rupees of basket you want to create and click on the create file button. So here you can see that order have been created successfully and this is the path. So just you have to go in that path, enter your company details and upload over here. So you can create your own basket order from this. After, if you will place any order into the market and if you want to check the trade of that details, so that will get displayed over here under the trade book. So you will place the Reliance order and that detail is reflected over here under the trade book along with all the information. Similarly, in the order book, if any stop loss or limit orders are placed, that will get displayed over here. Here on the buy side and this is the sell side. Here is the net position. So it will show my current profit and loss for my client. Just select the C29, which is my client code, and it will show the current buy value and what is the current status of it. Similarly, if you have placed any order into the FN or CD market, that will get displayed over here. Then under the queries, the next step after the trading is the query. So here you can check the details of all the companies. Like for example, I want to check the best buyer and seller for Reliance. So just simply click the market by price. Here you can see this is my top buyer and top seller with all the information. Similarly, there are different type of analytical tools which are given. Like you can check the gainers and loser for that day. You can check the top instruments, most active instruments, market inquiry, indices broadcast, limits, and instrument descriptor. So in the limits, you can check your CM limits. Just you have to select the client, enter the client code, and click the refresh button. So here it will show you the current utilization of deposit. So this is the virtual amount is provided to you. So under from that virtual amount, you have used that amount of deposit, and this is your available limit. So that detail will get reflected over here under the view limit section. After queries, there is a client. So here the client master detail is there. So this is the one virtual client is provided, which is a C29. So for that, you can do all the strategies and trades. After clients, there is a tools. So here under the tools, the first one is the portfolio. So here I will select the C29. As you can see, this is my portfolio and it will show me current M2M. Like we have bought 10 quantity of Reliance and my current profit from that is 30 rupees. So that will get reflected over here under the portfolio. Afterward is the market watch alerts. If I want to create alerts for any company, then just simply enter the alert name. For example, Reliance. I will enter the symbol name Reliance over here. So there is a different type of variables are available. So I will choose the last traded price. If it will increase by 2017, then the market watch will give us some updates. So here I will click add button. So here you can see that the prices of Reliance is increased by 2017. So this alert message is displayed on the screen. Likewise, you can create your own market watch alert on the basis of these variables. After this, there is a Bhav copy. So here from you can download the Bhav copy of any of the day. Just you have to select any particular day and click the refresh button so that Bhav copy detail will get reflected over here. Then there is an online backup. So here whatever the trades and you have done today, that details will get replicate over here. So here you can see like we have bought the Reliance and that detail is captured over here under the online backup. Then instrument wizard under the tools. So here you can add the instrument onto the market watch and even you can create your own set of market watch. For example, if I will create a new and enter the for example Nifty 50, and I will enter the company name over here, for example Reliance, Yes Bank, I will add the HDFC group companies, Mahindra, so after that you just need to select that company and click the save button. So here after that details are saved. So afterward, if you want to save this market watch, then simply just click the Control S or save market watch. So here just you need to enter the market watch name, for example Nifty. Click OK button. So here on the work market watch, under the single, the Nifty one is saved. If you want to add another market watch over here, just click the normal one. So this is my market watch is reset now right now, but my one market watch is saved. So as we have created one Nifty 50 market watch over here, so from just here from the drop down, just select that Nifty one and click on set to market watch. So whatever the company we have added under to that market watch, that would get automatically will be added onto your market watch dashboard screen. So this type of configuration you can do from the instrument wizard. Afterward, there is a reports. So here you can check all the open orders and traded done today details. So for example, I want to check what trades we have done. So just click from the reports, trade done today. So here it will show the current Reliance which we have bought, the 10 quantity we have bought of 20,000. 149 is a traded one. So that detail will get displayed over here. Similarly, there is a history confirmation is there. So here you can check your all the past data, and it will show you from the day one, like in which security you have done the trading, and all the information will get replicated over here. Then after reports, there is a utility, so you can check the chart. So this is the tick by tick chart of Yes Bank. So this is a live chart. So that you can check from here. Afterward, there is an assessment sheet. So here you can check the total return on investment if you have done any trading into any particular instrument. So here we have done the trading for C29 client. So if any profit, if you will do the square of all the Reliance stock, so it will show us what was the profit, what was the win rate and return on investment, so that all the assessment will be calculated over here. Then there is a historical chart. So from just utility, you have to select the historical chart. So here you can check the 1 day chart of Yes Bank. And this is the 1 month chart. This is the 3 month. And this is the candlestick. So you can see there is a much downfall in the Yes Bank stock. So This is the candlestick of it, and here you can also zoom this candlestick and you can learn about the different patterns of it. Then there is also the technical indicators are available. So there are different 25 technical indicators are available, like the Bollinger Bands, commodity channel index, average true range. So that type of analysis you can do. And there is also the option Greek calculator is available. So from here you can calculate the theoretical price for call option and put option. Just you need to enter the important information, like for the example day until expiry is for example 10 days, strike price 23,000, underlying price is 22,800, volatility is 40%, interest rate is 4, dividend is 0. After calculating, it will show the theoretical price of call option and put option along with the delta, gamma, vega, theta and rho with all the details. So you can, before creating any option strategies, so from here you can learn about the different values of the call option and put option. There is also the payoff table is available. Just you need to enter the underlying price detail. For example, 22,800, strike price 23,000, call volatility 40 days, for example 10 days, interest rate 4, dividend 0, and contract multiplier for considering a monthly expiry. So 25 is the contract from 10 to 1 days, and underlying price if it will move from 22,800 to 22,810. So after clicking on show button, it will give you the payoff chart for it. So you can see when the prices of underlying asset, which is the bank nifty, it's increasing by 1 rupees, like 1 point. So my profit is increasing. Similarly, if my days are reducing, so my profit is also reducing. So that type of payoff calculation the student can do from payoff table. And there is also the implied volatility is there. If you want to check the how much volatility is there in an underlying instrument, so just enter the underlying price. For example, for the bank nifty call option, 22,800, strike price 23,000, day until expiry, for example 10 days, interest rate 4, dividend 0, market price, for example it's trading at 300 rupees. So it will show you the volatility of it, which is at 25%. So that type of calculation the student can do from option Greek calculator. So that functionality you will get. And here under the help section, there is a shortcuts are given. So that different type of shortcuts are available, so which you can look at to from here, from the shortcuts. And also about NSE Smart, EWS details are given. Here also the video tutorials are available, support numbers are available if you have any queries. And also if you want to know the guide of it, like how to use the entire application, there are many features available which you can learn from here, from the user guide. Just simply click here, so that guide will get downloaded. So these are the features you will get in NSE Smart virtual trading platform. So here you can learn about the different strategies and before entering into the live market. Thank you all. Thank you very much.